Hi guys, in this video we talk about Honor Magic 6 Pro versus OnePlus 12. The Honor Magic 6 Pro launched on January 2024 and the price tag is $1199, and the OnePlus 12 launched on December 2023 with a price tag of $800. The dimension is same, not much difference. The weight, the Honor Magic 6 Pro come with 225 gram and the OnePlus 12 come with 220 gram. The build, the Honor Magic 6 Pro and the OnePlus 12 come with front and back glass and aluminium frame, and both mobile come with dual SIM support. The display of these devices, the Honor Magic 6 Pro come with LTPO OLED 1 billion color and the OnePlus 12 come with LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color. The screen size is same, the 6.81 inches and the 6.82 inches, and the resolution of these devices, the Honor Magic 6 Pro come with 12 by 2848 pixels and the OnePlus 12 comes with 40 by 3168 pixels, and the PPI density, the Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with 460 PPI density and the OnePlus 12 510. The refresh rate is same in both devices, 120Hz, and the screen to body ratio, the Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with 91.6% and the OnePlus 12 comes with 91.3%, and the both devices come with Gorilla Glass 2 Victus 2 protection. The screen brightness, the OnePlus 12 comes with 4500 nits peak of brightness and the Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with 4000 nits peak brightness. Let's go to the camera setup. The Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide and 50 megapixel periscope telephoto with TOF 3D depth sensor, and it's record 4K 60fps video. And the OnePlus 12 also comes with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 48 megapixel ultra wide and 64 megapixel periscope telephoto, and it's record 8K 30fps video with Hasselblad color calibration. And the front camera setup, the Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with dual selfie camera setup, the 12 megapixel and TOF 3D biometric sensor, and it's record 4K 60fps with selfie camera. And OnePlus 12 comes with 32 megapixel of selfie camera and 4K 30fps video record. And the platform, the Honor Magic 6 Pro and the OnePlus 12 come with octa-core CPU with Cortex X4, and both come with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm chipset, and the GPU of these devices, the both devices come with Adreno 750 and also come with Android 14 operating system. Let's go to the memory setup. The Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with 12GB and 16GB of RAM, and OnePlus 12 comes with 12GB and 16GB and 24GB of RAM. The internal storage, the both devices come with 256GB, 512GB and 1TB of internal storage, and no SD card support in both devices. And the battery of these devices, the Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with 5450 mAh battery and OnePlus 12 comes with 5400 mAh battery. The fast charging, the Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with 100 watt fast charging, and the also OnePlus 12 comes with 100 watt fast charging, and the both devices come with 50 watt wireless charging and 5G network support. Some of the common and feature is same, but the Honor Magic 6 Pro come with Face ID and fingerprint under display, and the OnePlus 12 only come with fingerprint under display security. And the result of these devices, the both devices got 24 points